machine, we're going to put our bobbin in place that we wound earlier. And you can see on my bobbin plate here, I have a diagram which shows you how to insert the bobbin. And most modern machines come with all of these diagrams already printed on the machines to make it easy for you. You'll see from the diagram that the thread is coming around anti-clockwise because this little tail is coming off here on the left hand side. So I want you to put your bobbin in the same direction. So I have my thread coming off to the left just like it is on here. I'm going to take this panel off now and we'll put it to one side, but keep yours handy if yours has your diagram on it because that will help you. So my thread is coming off to the left and I'm just going to hold the thread and drop that in place. So you will see inside the bobbin case that we have this black outer rim, and then on the inside we have this little feed mechanism where we're going to feed our thread. Now our diagram said to bring it round this little hole, and we've got an arrow here which is showing where we're supposed to insert the thread. Now the easiest way to do that is pop your finger on top of your bobbin, pull the thread round without the bobbin unwinding and giving you more thread. It just means that you've got more control over the thread. So I'm pulling it back round and it's coming back around to here. So I'm now going to grab my thread from the top of the machine and we're going to use that to help to pull the bobbin thread up through the inside of the machine. The bobbin thread will come up through the holes underneath the presser foot. So I'm going to hold the top thread quite tightly, but I'm still going to give it room to move as I move the needle up and down. So I'm going to turn the needle. Don't do it too fast, just keep an even amount of speed on it. And what we're looking for is this thread coming across the front of the bobbin case. Now that thread wasn't there before. That thread has been taken underneath the bobbin case by the needle going up and down. And then once we get it all the way around, we can pull on that thread. Just pull on the thread that you had in your hand, and you've now got two threads coming up. So this bobbin thread is now going underneath the base plate and coming up in the hole underneath the presser foot, and so that means we now have two threads ready to sew. So you'll notice that I used a pair of scissors just to hook the thread out from underneath the presser foot. You might want to have something handy just to do that yourself. Sometimes it comes all the way up and sometimes you just need something to help to get it out from underneath. So the final thing we need to do before we're ready to sew is we just need to put the machine back together. So put your bobbin case back on. Check your threads, and you just need to make sure they're pulled to the back of the sewing machine, and they should be about 6 to 8 inches long. So if you've got a really long bit, just trim it off and then you're all ready to sew.